What is previews and unpreviews? This is a directing command that lets you temporarily change a character's appearance. Previewed outfits or features, for example in episode 6, won't carry over to the next episode, and the character will automatically revert to their default appearance. Both commands change a character's outfits or features. However, the change command is permanent and applies throughout the story, while the preview command is temporary and only applies in the episode where it is used.